Turtle Shell Chrysalis Restoration, a guided visual meditation by your life coach, Roy Grant. It is time to go within. It is time to retreat from the great illusion of the out there and return to truth in here. You know what is real. It is time to release all dissuasion from the truth. Feel your body go heavy like lead. Feel your breathing and heartbeat slow as you remember all that you need comes from within and is already provided for you. All that you need in this moment is already effortlessly provided for you. Feel your body shutting down all unnecessary functions to where only your heartbeat and breathing remain. Feel your mind shutting down all thoughts to where only the embers of your consciousness quietly glow. All energies are redirected towards hibernation, healing, and restoration now. Feel your consciousness retreat deep, deep within you as all energies flow to your heart space, the center of all that you are. The more fear you let go of in this moment, the more energy that becomes allocated to your healing. The more pain you give yourself permission to let go of in this moment, the more energy that becomes allocated to your freedom and rebirth. Your head and your limbs pull into your shell. All ties to the external are cut, and you can finally release all attachment. All of the energies expended outside of you are drawn within and allocated just to you now as you allow your spirit to rest. You are not hiding or dissociating, but indeed the opposite. You are taking care of what needs to be taken care of. You are no longer running away through the complications and distractions of the external, but finally giving yourself the full attention and homecoming you need. Feel the relief of coming home to yourself. In this place you are safe. In this place you are enough. Of course you are. In this place there is no need to fight or control or worry, as everything is automatically taken care of. Everything is automatically returned to balance and love. It is the great return to truth, where all pain and fear is nurtured away like the slow and comforting sway of a cradled child. In this place you are cradled. You are wanted. You are loved. You are adored. You are taken care of. And nothing and no one can harm you anymore. Notice the dome of the shell that surrounds you like an invincible shield. It is translucent, so you can see out, but no one else can see in. You see and feel the fragile arteries of the shell, moving energy to you as you are completely nourished and restored from head to toe, inside and out. All the energies and new ideas you need are channeled to you now. all the inner truths you have forgotten are drudged up now from the muddy pond bottom of your subconscious, from the other side where you were born. Feel those truths and ancient holy memories as orbs of light rising up through you with warmth, melting and loosening all fear, all untruths you have acquired, until you are filled with only light, warm, white, and soft yellow light. Your translucent shell arcs over you as a sky and flashes with the lightning streaks of energy that continue to be directed to your rebirth. Feel the churning of your restoration and renewal. All energies are brought to you. Everything you need is brought to you. Peace and happiness become you. It is only the great illusion outside the shell that has told you things that were not true and that took you away from your natural state of happiness. But all is not lost. Here in this space, all is found. Remember the people and things you love now, and allow these memories to bring comfort and a smile to you. Allow yourself to be a fetus, curled up, warm, and fed all you need to grow. All the support you need in the silence and safety of the womb space, the chrysalis of your growing soul. You know big things are happening. You know all of this has profound meaning. And to go through it, oh, does it hurt? Oh, is it frightening? But even the pain of the out there is nurturing you now. The deep empathy and wisdom and values that come from great pain are fed to you now, making you stronger, softer, clear, and aware. Fire, rain, wind, and snow all shift in glittering waves outside your shell. The beautiful contrast of life, whirling in full display, the heat and ice of which moving through you as part of the cooking of your soul. And from this sheltered viewpoint, you finally understand. You finally see how all of it has great meaning. The world is not against you, but for you, and always has been. Much like the lava and heat oozing forth from the deep into the cold of the ocean, creating land, creating opportunity, you see how the chaos and contrast of life is always in the name of creation. This chaos will pass, and what awaits you is opportunity, is new land and new experiences to step bravely forward onto. The external calms, and now through the one-way translucency of your shell, you see all the universe and all its constellations glowing around you. You see how the universe itself is a womb space, how something is cooking here, something you wanted to be a part of. All feels lost here, but all in the name of something being found. You will be found. You are found. You were never lost, only confused by the chaos. But now you can see its beauty again. Shooting stars gleam past the dome of your shell, with heads of ice and tails of fire, reminding you that in this duality there is only the divine. Something loves you here. You are greatly loved. And so is this strange paradise we have journeyed to. All of it, all of you, is the song of love. Hear and feel the lullaby of love, sung by the humming stars now, just for you, safely, softly, healing and restoring and renewing all that you are. Linger in and soak up all of the nourishment of this space. This love isn't going anywhere. It's always been with you. Take in all that you need until it overflows from you, until you remember that you are its source. You are the source of love.